Good to have you on. Why is this not surprising that revenue growth organically was so strong? Is it market share? Is it higher prices? How did that happen? Because wasn't the street looking for 7%? You did 13%?
Yeah, good morning, Joe. Not surprising to us, certainly. We obviously have done a lot of work in order to get to these types of growth numbers. Yeah, I mean, as you mentioned, from a market share perspective, we're doing well. We're gaining share in most of our markets around the world, and certainly feel very, very good about that. In addition to that, we're growing volume, so it's not a matter of we're sacrificing volume and taking too much pricing in the marketplace. Obviously, we're facing inflation like everyone else, and we think that's going to persist for a while. But we're taking enough pricing to be able to manage the inflation. And our focus is really much more on how do we drive costs out of the business so that we ensure that we can translate what's a good top line into good bottom line as well. And obviously, that worked well this quarter.
It just seems weird that you're able to navigate through sharply higher costs and still have revenue up that much, and then have, you're not really hurting in terms of margins. So there's more to squeeze out of the business globally in terms of costs to deal with things. Is that like a priority?
Oh, it absolutely is. Look, whenever we're faced with inflation, the first thing we do is focus on the rest of the cost structure and try to figure out, hey, how can we do things more efficiently? How can we leverage automation? How can we leverage digital technology in order to make ourselves more and more efficient? And we've been really successful at doing that over the course of the last few years. I've been on before and talking to you about how we've reinvested back into the business. What you're seeing now in a lot of ways is the fruits of that, which is we're seeing costs get managed better, despite the fact that we're obviously facing a tough inflationary environment, as is everyone else.
Hugh, on average, and I've been kidding all morning long about how, because you always tell us this, contents may have settled during packaging. Are you giving me, and I'm not complaining, you give me fewer Doritos, it's good for you, it's good for me, it's good for everybody. I understand, I don't need as many as come in a big bag. What's the average, either tell me how much you've raised prices on these things to keep up with inflation, or how much you've cut down on what's the average packaging in terms of whether it's less than it was a year ago?
Yeah, honestly, Joe, we take a consumer-centric approach to our packaging. So as we look at a certain package size, we watch how
What the hell does that mean? I'm going to tell you what it means. Are you giving me? Wow, did you talk to McKinsey before you came on here? What was that again?
Consumer-centric.
A consumer-centric approach to our packaging? Are you giving me? I told you it's okay if you are fewer Doritos.
So let me give you the story on it, okay? We basically, there are times when we'll take chips out of the bag instead of taking pricing up. There's no denying that. There's no doubt about it. There's other times when we'll actually increase the number of chips in the bag, and we may take pricing up a little bit along with that. So what we try to do is say, how are consumers actually using that package? And we actually studied this stuff and try to figure out, okay, based on that, what's the right size of the bag? We move them around all the time. That's something that happens frequently. For the most part, consumers seem to be very happy with it. We still see volumes going up. We still can see the number of occasions going up. So people want to buy our product more and more. I know there was a news article out about Doritos recently, and frankly, that news article was inaccurate. So, this is really not a big story.
What did it say? What did it say, and what are the actual facts?
It said that there were less Doritos in the bag, and in fact, there were not less Doritos in the bag.
They were just half the size of the previous Doritos.
No. The Doritos hasn't changed in size in a long time.
But which ones? But where do you do? Like, how do you decide which ones you're doing? Is it in the Tostitos?
I love all those.
Over the years, Andrew, honestly, we've probably done it in every single package. But as I said, there are times when we take weight out. There are times when we actually add content to the bag. So it's something that's been going on for decades. And frankly, as I said, consumers seem perfectly fine with it. It's just become a news story recently for some strange reason. Yeah,
well, because we're trying to figure out how companies deal with, we're going to get a CPI number and a PPI number this week, Hugh. I mean, it's a real thing, and for a lot of consumers. And it's got to be real for you and consumer branded for everybody. So we're just wondering how you deal with it and still do, 13% revenue growth and increase your margins. So there must be, it's like magic.